Another Year 12. This video has been made possible by Codral, which is keeping me alive at the moment. Now I've made a series of 3 workspaces, which I'll add to from now until the HSC period. The first one has got a series of HSC questions in there for you to look at. The second one has 2 Kahoots, and the last one has another HSC question in there to involve you. Now the first one has got the glossary of terms that you need to know. It's got resources that you need to have for this task, which is the questions from a HSC paper. It's got readings from your textbook that I want you to read, and the marking criteria for each one. These are really important so you understand what the questions and what to expect from you in this type of thing. The second one has a document which I want you to write into, please. Just write your answers there. If you have to draw an image like the context diagram, take it with your smartphone, upload the image into here, and it will appear. We'll go through these later in class individually so I can see how you're going. The other 2 workspaces are Kahoot and similar to this. So please commit to this today and work hard. And I'll see you on Friday. Thank you.